Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. This may take more than a minute. We're going to talk about purchase and renovations in one mortgage loan. Buy it, fix it, love it. The right steps to buy a home as is and close on time. Pre-qualify. Make sure you choose a lender who has good experience with renovation loans. Ask if they have a renovation loan specialist or support team in place to help you. Review your pre-qualification to be sure it is for a product that will close as is with no requirement for a certificate of occupancy to close, like FHA 203K or Fannie Mae home style. Make sure you understand that the loan amount must include the sales price plus the necessary repairs and or renovations. Sales price plus repairs times 96.5% equals maximum loan amount. Let me repeat. Sales price plus repairs times 96.5% equals the maximum loan amount. Qualifying for just a sales price, if you're considering properties listed as is, will not work. Next, locate a property with your real estate professional. Investigate the property condition. Work with your real estate professional to get a contractor or inspector to review the property and estimate repairs and or renovations. If the property is a bank REO, real estate owned by the bank, you can ask the listing agent for the BPO. Then compare the sales price plus renovations to the after improved value to be sure you have a good investment. Write a contract. Next, complete your mortgage application with Advisors Mortgage Group. Make sure you have all your credit, income, and asset documents ready to go. Work with your loan officer and loan processor to complete the credit file as soon as possible. We will assign an inspector to work with you and your contractor to inspect the property and document your plan for renovations. Next, choose a contractor and make design decisions right away. Ask for referrals from your real estate professionals, friends, and family. Your contractor must be licensed and insured. Our Advisors Renovation Concierge will work together with you and your contractor to help you through the process and collect the required documents. We must have the completed plan before we can order the appraisal. Finally, close. At closing, we will pay the seller and deposit the renovation funds in an escrow account in your name to pay for your project. You and your contractor pull any necessary permits and the work begins. The contractor is then paid through a simple system of inspections and draw requests. Renovate and enjoy your new home. This has been James Graff at Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. If you have any questions regarding this or anything else, please feel free to contact me at 732-500-6883. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I thank you for listening.